Just imagine this: an AI tool that can analyze your data, an AI tool that can create charts, the AI tool that can create the dashboard for your data, an AI tool that can find the insights out of your data and answer the question in the seconds. No SQL, no Python, no Excel formulas. So the big question is the Julius AI is the end of the data analyst job? Hi friends, this is Dr. Vikas and I welcome you all the data analysts once again in my individual technical solution channel. Today, I will show you what Julius AI can actually do, how powerful it is, and the real truth about whether the data analyst should be scared or excited. So watch this video till the end because today I'm going to show you how the AI Julius tool can do the Python coding in a seconds and execute the code in the seconds and create the different charts, dashboards for whatever the data sheet that you are going to provide to these tools. Okay. So today we'll see how Julius AI can actually does all these things, how it work for the data analysis, can it replace the human data analyst in the future of data analyst job in the AI area. And this video is going to be the helpful for all the data analysts who are currently working in the data analyst industries and the student who are learning the data analytics as well as the data science. And this will be helpful for the all the IT and the AI professionals. So friends, without wasting too much time, let me demonstrate you how the this Julius AI tool working surprisingly better than the human being. Okay, so let me take you to the screen. Okay, so first I will show you the Excel sheet which we are going to give as an input to the this Julius AI tool. Okay, then you will understand how powerful it is as compared with the human data analyst and any Python developer or as compared with the any SQL developer, how powerful it is, and within very less amount of time, it can give us the surprising results. Okay, so this is the data sheet that we are going to give as an input to our this Julius AI tool. Okay, so this is simply the product sales data, region-wise product sales data. So here you can see region column is there, product column is there, quantity sold, unit price, stored location, customer type, salesperson, payment method, promotion, order ID, customer name, shipping cost, and delivery date and the region manager. Okay. Now, same Excel sheet we are going to give as an input to this Julius AI tool. Okay. So simply you have to type here Julius AI in the browser and open this particular uh, AI website, Julius AI website. Okay. Now, after this, uh, it might ask you to log in. I am already logged in with my Gmail. So if it asks you to log in, you can log in with your Gmail, and it will also ask some question like with why you are using this Julius AI. So you can give whatever the reasons like for the education purpose or for learning purpose, etc. Okay, and now you can see this is our window. Now here from this particular icon, you can upload the your data file. Okay, so the data file which you have just seen, we are going to upload it here. Okay, now this is our Excel sheet product sales region wise. Okay, now once the upload get complete, it will show you the data on the same window. Okay, let's see. Now you can see the whatever the Excel sheet we have uploaded, you can see the data from that Excel sheet here. Okay, as it is. Now, simple prompt you have to write here. So I am writing analyze this Excel sheet data for me with different KPIs and create various dashboards also. Okay. And after giving the prompt, I'm just pressing on the enter. Now, friends, let's see the result. So it will work in the three steps. So first step, it will write the Python code for all of us. And then in the second step, it will execute that Python code. And in the last step, it will answer whatever the question we have asked. Okay. Now, friends, I have used it already with by this Gmail ID. Okay. Now let me log out from this and then let me log in with a different email ID. Okay. So let me log in it with another email ID because I have used it number of times. So that's why it is not taking. Okay. Now just go to the Google site and then type there Julius AI. Okay. And press enter. Now click here, try Julius free. Then continue with the Google. And I'm using this my Gmail ID for logging into the Julius AI. Press on continue. Okay. Now, once again, we have to upload our Excel data sheet and give the prompt to the Julius AI. Okay. So I am here. So it is asking us some question. As I said, how do you plan to use Julius? So I am using it as an educator. And how did you hear about us? So I'm just giving answer as a LinkedIn. Okay, complete. That's it. Only two step you need to log into the Julius AI. Okay. Now I am uploading one file, the same file which you have discussed now, Excel data file. Okay. And after uploading it, we'll write the simple prompt. Okay. As I said, friend, it will work in the three different steps. First, it will write the Python code for whatever prompt we have given. Then it will execute the same Python code, and then it will create the whatever the dashboards or whatever charts or whatever question we have asked it. Okay. Now let me write the simple prompt for this. I am just writing analyze this Excel sheet for me different KPIs and give various dashboards with colors. Okay. And that's it, friend. I'm just giving this prompt to the Julius AI tool. So, friends, let's see the what results we are getting. So you can see it has started writing the Python code for prompt which you have given. Then it is running the code and then it will creating the different dashboard or whatever the question we have asked. As per the question, it will return us the different answer and the dashboard charts, etc. So friends, let's see the result. Okay, it is running the code now. So you can see it has it is also explaining the whatever the codes being written there. Here you can see code explanation. And then it started working on the different KPIs we have asked. You can see it has given the different KPIs and the values like net sales and value, gross sales, order, units sold, unique customer, return orders, return rate, etc. etc. Then it has shown us the region wise performance. Okay, you can see region north, how many orders, net sales, unit customer, return rate, etc. And for the same, it has drawn a chart. You can see friends, net sales by region. Then it has shown the performance by product wise performance, like how many printers, tablets, chairs, monitors, net sales for each unit, return date, average discount given, etc. And it has given the chart for the same. Then returns and ops views. Then delivery time distribution, how many time in how much time, how many orders delivered. Monthly trend view it has shown friends. So mix view also it has given the net sales mix by payment method. How many customer has purchased it through the debit card, credit card, online cash. Friends, you can see this is amazing because just imagine if you would have given this particular task to your developer, might be a Python developer or Excel, the SQL developer. We can just imagine how much time they would have taken. So this is just a mind-blowing application, Julius AI tool. So friends, we can just imagine in the future how powerful it can be. So this is just the wake-up call for all data analysts, I think, because the kind of work which needs the month, this is being done by the AI tool just within a 1 or 2 minutes. So this is just the simple one prompt I have given. Now you can give anything, any kind of prompt to this tool, and it will answer within a seconds. Okay. Now, if I just want to ask that, uh, give me the stats showing this, give me the stats for the loss made because of discount given. See, we can ask any kind of question. So we have asked the stats for the loss made by a particular company because of the discount given. Okay. Now it has started writing the code for that. And also it has started running the code. Friends, I'm not trying to scare any data analyst here. I'm just showing you the reality of artificial intelligence tools here. So you can see the each and every point is being get answered here with a different kind of visualization. So you can see discount loss stats, how much revenue you gave up due to the discount, you can see. So all the stats it has given. Now here it is also suggesting us. So here you can see the highlights. The printer is the largest discount loss driver and also one of the highest loss rate versus post sales. Laptop, monitor, tablets are cluster close behind in discount dollars. Now it has suggested the question also. What is the biggest discount driver? Which region has the highest discount impact? Now let's see which region has the highest discount impact. Now you can see within a seconds, it is writing the Python code and running it. So this is surprising and quite amazing. So you can see it has given the stats. Region with the highest discount impact. North has the highest discount impact, no matter how we measure it. So you can see if you mean the total dollars lost due to discounting, North is the highest. So in the North region, Lost is made highest because of the discount given. Okay. Now we can also ask the another question also. Uh, Now let's ask the different question. Give us region wise profit in chart. Let's see. So it is plotting the region wise profit for us. So you can see this is the region wise profit. North is having the highest, central, west, east is having the less. Also, it has given the numbers. You can download the Excel sheet for this particular reports also. So personally, I feel this is a very, a very good AI tool. Though if any data analysts are watching this video, they can use it for their, make their work effective, faster, and quality wise good. Okay. So also we can ask for the another question which is being suggested here. What caused the biggest region discount impact? So there are numerous things you can do with these tools. So let me ask the last prompt. Give me 3D plot. Give me 3D plotting for this. Let's see. So it has written the code and it has also given the explanation of the code and then 3D plot explanation. Now you can see friends how beautiful it is. Okay, this is really amazing. So it has given us the 3D plot chart and you could imagine like how much time would be required for any developer to do this. So that's it from today's video, friends. I hope all of you have benefited from this, and definitely, if you have learned something from this video, please share it with your friends, colleagues, and students. Okay. So thanks all of you for watching. Let's see in the next video.